What's going on? This is your boy Mike Williams, and today we're going to talk about what a traffic co-op is.
Are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of watching everybody else win? Are you tired of not living the life you deserve? Well, the time is now. I'm going to show you how to unleash your best potential and create 6 figures online with affiliate marketing.
What's up? If you enjoy the content, guys, what I want you to do is subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button. Leave me a comment below, whether it's a question, whether you got some input, leave it below. I teach people about affiliate marketing and how to generate income online. So, keep up with this page. We got some good content to come. And like I said, today we're going to talk about a traffic co-op because some people were asking me about it. Usually when a lot of people get started with affiliate marketing, they don't have deep pockets, okay? And what people should be doing is working together to create traffic, all right? I need traffic, you need traffic, and if we got a similar offer, why not work together? We're going to put our heads together. So the best way to think of a traffic co-op is like roommates, all right? Like roommates. I want to live in a nice house. You want to live in a nice house, right? But we're young, we just started our careers. We can't afford a nice house. So, hey, we rent it. Okay, the rent is $1,200 a month. Not where I'm at, but probably not where you are either. But $1,200 a month is the rent. So 4 people get together, they split the $1,200 a month rent. Now they have themselves a 4-bedroom home, 2 bathrooms, maybe a garage, a yard, so they can do some barbecuing. But they can get the experience while they build their careers, so that they can eventually move on and buy the house on their own. So with a traffic co-op, it's the same thing. You guys put your money together and buy traffic to your websites. If you got similar offers, you could purchase traffic from the same place. If you follow me, I always tell you guys, affiliate marketing, the top hottest products that we promote are how to make money products, weight loss products, and personal development products. Now, if you can find people who are selling those type of products with you, like if you all know you're selling how to make money products, or you're all selling fitness and weight loss products, you get together, you put your money together. If I spend $150, I can get only so much traffic to my website. But if you spend $150, I spend $150, he spends $150, she spends $150, now we got what, $400, $500, $600 collectively that we can use to buy traffic together and share clicks, because the more you spend on traffic, the less it costs you in clicks, therefore the more traffic you're gonna get, okay? And I hope my math is right. If it's off, it is what it is, right? So what type of traffic do you buy? You could buy solo ads, which is email marketing, okay? You could buy banner ads, which is simply ad placements on different websites, right? You could also do direct mail campaigns, which is huge because that's super expensive to do direct mail campaigns on your own when you're first starting out. But together, you guys can put your money together and do a killer direct mail campaign. And honestly, any traffic that can be tracked, you can do a co-op, okay? As long as it can be tracked and it shows that you guys are evenly getting the same amount of traffic to your website, that's all that matters, okay? And it works. Now, what's the benefit? Low cost, big result. Low cost, big result, okay? You spend the same amount of money, and potentially, if you do it right, you're going to get more traffic than if you would have did it by yourself. All right, build your email list a lot faster. We know that emails or any type of contacts that we can create up on our own and have our own database of contacts is powerful in this industry, because that's essentially where your online ATM is, right? And then of course duplication. Now, if you're in the MLM niche and you get some sort of benefit from other marketers or other people who have joined the business under you, or whatever the case may be, you're going to create better duplication if you guys work together and do a traffic co-op. All right, so what you can do right now, you can join my newly released traffic co-op, and I'm going to give you some best practices to make sure that you get the most out of a co-op. Okay, I'm going to give you some best practices. Number 1, your company should have a nice front end offer. Okay, I recommend $100 or more on the front end. So for example, if we're driving traffic, right, we want to make sure that front end product is good enough to get your investment back quickly. Okay, now it could be whatever you want. I recommend $100. $50 is good. It's good. I got some co-ops that run with $50, front end products. But if you have a nice, decent $100 fast start bonus, or if you're marketing something that has a 3-tier funnel of some sort, that front end product should be really sweet, because it's going to help you recoup your investment back a lot quickly, because you want the co-op to be successful. Okay, you want to make sure that your company allows outside marketing tactics. All right, you want to make sure that your company allows marketing systems and stuff like that. I do affiliate marketing, and most likely you do too if you're watching this video. So affiliate marketing, it's like Wild Wild West. We can kind of go out there, be creative, and build. Okay, but make sure your company allows those different things, because some companies do not. So let me give you some examples here. So if we have a $150 per share co-op, so you pay 150, I pay 150, he pays 150, right? So say we have 150 shares. Typically in a week, 20 is good. 20 would be nice. That's a nice co-op. Okay, $150 each. That's a $3,000 ad spend. That's a $3,000 ad spend compared to the $150 I could have spent on my own. Now I got a group spending $3,000 collectively. Okay, my $150 is going to go a lot further than it would have gone on my own. All right, so keep that in mind. So here is, for example, if you have a little ticket offer up front, say you got like a $10 offer up front. Okay, as a group, we're going to have to do 300 sales on that co-op in order to get our $3,000 back. That's a lot. Okay, I wouldn't even pretend that you're going to get 300 sales on your first go around in a co-op, right? It's rough. Possible, but I'll never pitch that to somebody. Okay, so the big ticket example, if you had an offer up front that was minimum $100, okay, we only need 30 sales now in order to recoup our co-op money back. You see what I'm saying? So that's why it's important to have a nice front end product that's got a nice price behind it, so that we can get that co-op money back quickly. Because what do we want to do? We want to reinvest the co-op money right back. So if you got a nice, good front end offer that's really popping, right? It's the best way to run your co-ops. Okay, I won't tell you that any other way is not possible and won't work. It will. It just remember, it's going to take a little bit longer for you to recoup your budget back. I'm trying to make sure that people get into the game and they're able to get some quick results, because when you got results and you can show results to your marketplace, what happens? People get interested in what you're doing. Okay. So next steps, if you want to join my personal co-op, depending on when you're watching this video, it will determine, where we're at with the co-op. But right now, this is the first time I'm putting this video out there. But then again, you could be watching this video a year or two later. So right below in the descriptions of this video, okay, or wherever you're watching me from on social media, you can go to co-op, COOP.linkmike.com, right? Or you can email me at mike@mikewilliamspro.com, or you can contact me on any one of my social platforms and pretty much get the information on how to join our co-op. Okay, our shares are $150. We only do 20 people per week. Okay, so spots go really fast. I know they're going to go even faster once this content gets out there. So it's $150 per share. We do 20 people a week. We like to have a decent $3,000 per week ad spend. That collectively, and obviously there's 19 spots, because I'm one of the spots. I'm one of the $150 spots, and then I got 19 other people that we have space for each and every week, and it's on a first come first served basis. All right, so this is your boy Mike Williams. If anything, I hope you learned a little bit more about what a traffic co-op is. I hope you create traffic co-ops of your own amongst your team and your affiliates and whatever the case may be, because it's a powerful way to really grow your business and to grow it in a really significant way. Co-ops is cool. We got to collectively work together. Too many marketers are out here trying to do it solo. Get together. When I got in this industry in 2008, some of the greats out there, you could tell that they were working together, because if I was on everybody's email list, and when a new product came out, they all were promoting each other's products to their individual lists. So that's how collectively we got to work together if we want to drastically increase leads, drastically increase sales, drastically increase exposure. We got to work together. And that's the power of a co-op, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, comment below, smash that like button, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. Peace.